But as we proceed to give you what you need, here are one of my good buddies from when I started this thing. He was here with me from the beginning. Dap him up. We're gonna move along the city real quick. Good vibes for the people. What's up, buddy? On the new Aprilia. Moving good. Looking mean out here on the streets. What's up, guys? I'm way out of here. I'm too fly in the sky. Look better than Cassie puffing on Zooties and she calling me daddy. Secure the bag. What's up, guys? Go ahead, guys. I wasn't letting you pass, but I'm gonna let you pass. What's up, little buddy? Dub. What's the guy here? What we got here? What we got here? Hog? Yeah, it's a Harley. Little buddy had to do a tail whip. Yeah, they got my boy out here, man. It's been a long time since I seen him. Middle of my hood. Whatever, I'm good. We're gonna go all the way up though. Salam alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Oh, what are you doing, bro? What's that doing? Let's wipe me down. The sound? Yeah. Let me hear that shit. Woo! Oh! That shit sound like a 1000 in there. Man, real sneaky. That thing is sneaky. That sound real good. That sound real mean. Yeah. Woo! I mean, that is... Said this shit brutal and unexcusable. Man, that thing look good, man. Colors on that thing look good, man. Front wheel orange. Ooh, shiza. What's up, baby? I seen you peek at the end. He couldn't help but to peek, so you had to too. I understand. She said I didn't want to look, but damn, it sounds so good. Puffing on Zooties and shit. Don't you do that. Stay right there. Whatever, I'm good. Looking mean off that mirror. Look at the headlights on that thing. Look at the headlights on that thing. Woo! Thing there mean, boy. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna go right here. Can't pass this big thing, or can we? If she sneak past, we good down there. But I ain't. Go ahead on, Pop. Go ahead on. She said no, she ain't going through that. Hey, how you doing over there, Zara? I see you, baby. I see you peeking. Hello. She over there trying to peek. I can't hear you because I got the radio on. I can't really hear you. Okay? Shag it. That shit sound crazy, man. I thought. Woo. Be looking the same, they copy my lingo, they bite on my chain. Man, I'm so thankful to see the guy, man, ride a new one. This thing is awesome. So proud of it. He like, God damn, the sound on that motherfucker is crazy. How is it legal? Don't ask me, ask BMW. I can't tell you how they did it, but they did it. What's up, girls? The one with the wings, key, holding me back. Illegal one, giving it back. Kudo Titanic and all those cats. Feel with Nicky, G for the flighty. Way out of here, I'm too fly in the sky. Come on now, Pop. Let's get it. Alright, what are you riding on? Triumph over there, baby. I see your work out here in the streets, brother. Hermer's ashes. Better than Cassidy. Puff it on Zooty and she calling me. Let me to swag it. Woo! Man, I like this bike. Sound on it too. Sound really good. Hello, mama. I see you looking. And if I didn't, my trusted sidekick, the 360 did. Gotta be smarter than that, ma. You're coming out there doing that to me. I'm for the people. About to get me ran into the back of. What's wrong with the people out here today? Assholes out here. Behind me, spaceship, the one with the wings. The one with the wings. Got the spaceship, baby. Out here with the spaceship. Woo! Man, yo, I love it, bro. I love the vibe here in Berlin, man. I love it. That shit is clean, though. No lie. If you could only see this thing up close, this thing is clean. Like, literally clean. Need that here. Make sure she good. Hammer time. I see you over there, Red. Secure the bag. She good. So chrome accessories, whatever, I'm good. He looking the same. Man, I'm so thankful that he came out. Got the Balenciagas on the feet. 2020 under his feet too. I see you over there peeping, baby. Under. Come on, man, drive the damn bus, get it through there. proceed. Drugs. Throwing love. Pulled up on her, looked her in the face like what? Back on the E. It high as me, driving the spaceship, the one with the wings. Man, this shit look good, man. I'm happy to see people out here joining me. If you want to ride, man, pull up on me. If you want to hang out sometimes or just kick it, just hit DM me on Instagram, man. full_RPM_. Get at me, man. I'm very likable, very cool person, very respectful. Hey, baby. You're so pretty, look better than Cassie pumping on you. Puffing on Zooters and she calling me. What's up, bro? I seen you peeping. When you catch them looking, then when they see you got the camera, they try to turn away quick. Go ahead, baby. What you doing out here, girl? Get out my lane. With the tied it up. tied it up. Got the 5-point easy out here. 5.0. What's up now, guy? My man. Chicago bulling it. I'm way out of here. I'm too fly in the sky. Come on, baby. What's up, brother? Blue Zook in it. I see you out here. The one with the wings. You're wiggling, baby. You're wiggling, baby. In the sky. Hello, baby. That's what she want to say. Shh. They want to say, but ain't nothing they can do. Things sound so good. Just make you want to. Oh, damn! That thing bite. Look at him. Look at it. Look. Breaking the neck to look at the kid. What the hell is he doing? We just out here moving, man. Grooving. Slipping and sliding. Driving the spaceship, the one with the wings.